In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google toolbar from disappearing. If you've ever been browsing the web and suddenly noticed your toolbar missing, you're not alone. Fortunately, the solution is simple and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're in your Google browser. This will typically be Chrome, so open it up if it's not already running. Think of your browser as the home base for all your internet activities, and keeping your toolbar visible means all your most used tools are just a click away. Now look for the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the window. This icon gives you access to the browser's menu. It's like the entryway to customizing your browsing experience. If you can't find the dots right away, just take your time. They're there waiting to be clicked. Once you've clicked on those three dots, a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to head over to Settings. The settings are essentially the command center for your browser, allowing you to control and customize your browsing experience. Simply click on Settings, and you're on the way to making your toolbar visible at all times. When you're in the Settings panel, look for the section labeled Appearance. Clicking on Appearance will take you to where you can adjust the visual aspects of your browser and make it more comfortable for your use. This section has a variety of options that pertain to how your browser looks and functions. Now here's the crucial part. Within the Appearance section, you'll see options like Show Bookmarks Bar. Make sure this option is toggled on. By doing this, you're ensuring that your bookmarks bar remains fixed below the address bar instead of hiding away. This little switch can often be the key to maintaining a streamlined and efficient Chrome environment. Remember, if you're in full screen mode, your toolbar may hide automatically. So if you notice it disappears again, check whether you're in full screen mode and exit if needed. These settings are not only easily adjustable, but can significantly enhance your browsing comfort. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep your toolbar visible at all times, ensuring easy access to your favorite sites and maximizing your browser's functionality. And that's it, you've now set up your browser so that the toolbar doesn't unexpectedly disappear, leaving you confident and prepared for all your internet browsing needs. Thank you for tuning into today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more browser tips and tricks. Happy browsing!